Have you ever imagined what happens when humans decide to completely ignore any limit of size and simply start building machines bigger, heavier, and more absurd than ever before? Trucks so massive they make cars look like toys. Machines built to carry tons and tons every single day, in environments where nothing ordinary survives. But how far can this pursuit of power and capacity really go? Is there a limit? Or does engineering always find a way to push even further? Today, you're about to embark on a journey through the largest wheeled machines ever built. True industrial giants that dominate mines, deserts, and extreme environments around the world. Ready to see just how far size can go? Stay with me, because the last one on this list will completely change your idea of what a truck really is. CAT AD63. The CAT AD63 was introduced by Caterpillar in the 2000s in the United States as an articulated truck designed specifically for underground mining operations. It emerged at a time when companies needed machines that were extremely durable, yet compact enough to operate in narrow tunnels and confined environments. Under the hood, it features a V-type engine with around 15 liters of displacement, producing approximately 600 horsepower. This power is enough to move heavy loads on steep inclines, which are common in underground mines. Its 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time is not relevant for its purpose, and its top speed is around 55 kilometers per hour. The engine uses a 6-cylinder configuration, designed for extreme durability and long operating hours without failure, making control easier in tight spaces and allowing the operator to focus entirely on maneuvering in critical environments. In terms of suspension, it uses a reinforced system with a central articulation and 6x6 traction, allowing tighter turns and better adaptation to uneven terrain inside the mines. Visually, the CAT AD63 may look smaller compared to the giants on this list, but inside a mine, it becomes a dominant machine. Its size fills the tunnels completely, and the deep sound of the engine echoes through the walls, creating a powerful sense of presence. The cabin is enclosed, protected, and fully focused on operator safety. In practice, it is used to transport large volumes of ore in places where conventional trucks simply cannot operate. It solves one of the biggest challenges in mining, moving heavy loads in extremely limited spaces. Its impact goes beyond operations. It represents the evolution of engineering focused on efficiency in extreme environments, becoming a global reference in this type of application. And it's not uncommon that after certain mines are depleted, some of these trucks are simply left behind, remaining still in the silence of underground galleries. Over time, dust and humidity take over, creating an almost surreal scene, as if the machine were still waiting for the next shift that will never come. When you look at one of these abandoned trucks deep underground, you're not just seeing a parked vehicle, you're seeing a machine that spent years facing extreme conditions, carrying tons every single day, and now rests in the same place where it built its legacy. And if this one is already impressive in confined spaces, the next one begins to expand that scale into something much larger. Volvo A60H. The Volvo A60H was launched by Volvo in Sweden as one of the largest articulated trucks ever produced. Designed for heavy-duty operations in mining and large-scale construction, it was created to meet a clear demand, transporting massive loads with efficiency and stability in extreme terrains. Under the hood, it features an inline engine with approximately 16 liters of displacement, producing around 673 horsepower. This level of power allows it to carry extremely heavy loads with consistency. Its top speed is around 55 kilometers per hour, always prioritizing control and safety rather than speed. The 6-cylinder engine configuration provides an ideal balance between power and durability. The transmission is automatic, delivering smooth gear shifts that reduce wear and make long working hours more manageable. The articulated system, combined with 6x6 traction, allows all wheels to maintain contact with the ground, even on uneven terrain, ensuring stability under full load. Visually, the Volvo A60H is already impressive. Tall, wide, and equipped with a massive dump body, it dominates any environment. The engine sound is deep and steady, creating a strong sense of controlled power. Next to it, any regular vehicle feels small. It is used in open-pit mining and large construction projects, transporting tons of material with remarkable efficiency. Its impact is tied to technology and reliability, making it a global benchmark in its category. In some cases, after major projects end, units are left behind due to the complex logistics of transportation. Over time, they become part of the landscape, carrying marks of use and history like true monuments of modern engineering. And if this one already impresses, the next takes this level of toughness even further. Dart Rimpull 5225C. The Dart Rimpull 5225C was developed in the United States as an off-road truck built for heavy industrial operations, especially mining. It was created in a context where durability and reliability were absolute priorities. Under the hood, it uses an inline engine with over 15 liters of displacement, generating around 600 horsepower. This power allows it to transport massive loads consistently. Its top speed is around 50 kilometers per hour, always prioritizing stability. The 6-cylinder engine configuration ensures durability and continuous operation over long periods. The transmission is automatic, making the operator's job easier while maintaining efficiency over time. In terms of suspension, it features a reinforced system combined with 4x4 traction, providing stability even on difficult terrain and under heavy loads. The Dart Rimpull 5225C has an imposing presence. Its robust structure, massive wheels, and elevated dump body create a strong and dominant look. The engine sound is heavy and constant, reinforcing the feeling of a machine built to work non-stop. In practice, it is used in mining and large-scale industrial operations where continuous transport is essential. Its impact is directly linked to reliability and endurance. Some units have been left behind after operations ended, remaining isolated in remote areas. Over time, these machines become part of the landscape, carrying the marks of years of intense work. And if this one already impresses, the next takes the concept of capacity to a whole new level. Hallmax 3990T. The Hallmax 3990T was developed in Australia as an off-road truck designed for heavy mining operations, built to perform in some of the harshest conditions on the planet. It was created in an environment where durability had to be absolute and load capacity could never fail. Under the hood, it features a large inline engine with more than 12 liters of displacement, producing between 450 and 500 horsepower. Its top speed is around 60 kilometers per hour, maintaining stability even under full load. The engine uses a 6-cylinder configuration, offering reliability and continuous operation even under extreme heat and demanding conditions. The transmission is automatic, allowing smooth gear changes and reducing wear over time. In terms of suspension, it uses a reinforced system combined with 4x4 traction, designed to absorb constant impacts and keep the truck stable even on rough terrain. Visually, the Hallmax 3990T already stands out for its size and presence. Its structure is wide, tall, and extremely robust. The engine sound is strong and consistent, conveying a sense of continuous power. Next to it, any regular vehicle feels completely insignificant. In practice, it is used in open-pit mines, transporting large amounts of material efficiently and continuously, playing a crucial role in keeping operations running. Its legacy is tied to durability. It is a machine built to last, to withstand years of heavy work without stopping. And in remote regions of Australia, it is not uncommon to find units left behind after projects ended, remaining isolated in vast, arid landscapes where silence amplifies their scale. These trucks begin to feel like permanent structures, almost as if they are part of the terrain itself. Even when idle, their size continues to impress, showing just how far engineering has been pushed. If you're enjoying this journey through the largest machines ever built, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos like this. And if this one already stands out for its strength and endurance, the next one enters a territory where size stops being just big and starts becoming truly gigantic. Crest. Crest trucks began gaining recognition in the United States as extremely heavy industrial vehicles, developed primarily for mining and the transport of large volumes in continuous operations. They were created with the goal of delivering maximum capacity, combined with a highly reinforced structure, capable of handling constant stress. Under the hood, these trucks typically use large inline engines, often exceeding 15 liters of displacement, producing between 600 and 700 horsepower. Their top speed is around 55 kilometers per hour, always prioritizing power and stability over speed. The engine features a 6-cylinder configuration designed for durability and continuous operation in extreme environments. The transmission is automatic, allowing smoother operation and reducing mechanical wear during long working hours. They use heavily reinforced systems combined with 4x4 traction, ensuring stability even under heavy loads. These trucks are built to withstand constant pressure without compromising structural integrity. Visually, Crest trucks are extremely imposing. They are wide, tall, and have a presence that completely dominates their surroundings. The engine sound is deep and constant, reinforcing the feeling of raw power and mechanical strength. They are used in heavy mining operations, where the ability to transport large volumes is essential to maintaining productivity. Their impact is directly linked to efficiency and reliability in large-scale industrial environments. In some cases, after operations come to an end, units are left behind in industrial areas, becoming massive structures that slowly endure the effects of time and nature. As years pass, these abandoned trucks turn into visual landmarks. Even when stationary, they continue to transmit a sense of strength and scale that is impossible to ignore. Looking at a Crest in these conditions feels like observing a machine that once operated at the very limits of its capacity, carrying tons every single day until the moment it simply stopped. They are not just machines left behind. They are silent witnesses of an industrial cycle that reached its peak and eventually came to an end, leaving behind only steel, history, and scale. And if this one already impresses by its sheer size, the next one pushes this concept to an even more extreme level. TowHaul. TowHaul trucks were developed in Canada as extremely heavy industrial vehicles designed for mining and large-scale material transport in continuous operations. They were created with the goal of maximizing load capacity while maintaining stability. Under the hood, they use inline engines with over 18 liters of displacement, producing between 600 and 800 horsepower. This power allows them to move massive loads consistently. Their top speed is around 50 kilometers per hour, always prioritizing control. The 6-cylinder engine configuration ensures durability and continuous operation. The transmission is automatic, designed to handle extreme loads without putting excessive strain on the operator. In terms of suspension, they use reinforced systems combined with 4x4 traction, ensuring stability even on rough terrain and under maximum load. Visually, TowHaul trucks stand out because of their scale. Their structure is massive, with a huge dump body and oversized wheels. The engine sound is deep, almost like a constant roar echoing through the environment. In practice, they are used in open-pit mining, where transporting large volumes efficiently is essential. Their impact is directly tied to capacity and productivity. In remote regions, some units end up being left behind after operations end, remaining as massive, forgotten giants. Dust and wear tell the story of years of extreme work, turning these machines into silent industrial monuments. And if this already seems gigantic, the next one takes everything to an even more impressive level. Berliet T100. The Berliet T100 was introduced in the 1950s by the French manufacturer Berliet as one of the largest trucks ever built at the time, designed specifically for desert exploration and heavy industrial operations. Under the hood, it featured a V12 engine with around 29 liters of displacement, producing approximately 700 horsepower. Its top speed was about 34 kilometers per hour, as its focus was entirely on power rather than speed. The engine used a 12-cylinder configuration, delivering an extremely strong and consistent flow of power. The transmission was manual, requiring skill and precision from the operator to handle such force. In terms of suspension, it used a reinforced system combined with 6x6 traction, allowing it to handle sandy and unstable terrain with greater control and stability. Visually, the Berliet T100 is simply colossal. Its height alone surpasses normal standards, and its massive wheels completely dominate the scene. The engine sound is deep and heavy, creating an almost intimidating presence. In practice, it was used mainly in desert operations, transporting heavy loads in regions where very few vehicles could operate effectively. Its cultural impact is enormous. It became a legend in engineering, recognized as one of the first trucks to truly challenge the limits of size on such an extreme level. One remarkable detail is that one of its units was abandoned in the Sahara Desert, where it remained for years, slowly being covered by sand and time. Over the years, this machine became a kind of forgotten relic, almost like a piece of a massive experiment left behind. Its structure still impresses, even when idle, showing just how far ahead of its time it really was. Looking at the Berliet T100 today feels like facing a milestone in the history of heavy engineering. It was not just large, it paved the way for everything that came after. It represents a moment when engineers decided to go beyond what was considered possible and simply build something bigger than anyone had ever seen before. And if this already seems absurd for its era, the next one takes that concept of gigantism to an even more impressive scale. Terex Titan. The Terex Titan was developed in Canada in the 1970s as one of the largest mining trucks ever built, created to demonstrate just how far engineering could go in terms of size and load capacity. Under the hood, it was equipped with a 16-cylinder engine with more than 50 liters of displacement, producing around 3,300 horsepower. An impressive number, even by today's standards. Its top speed was around 48 kilometers per hour. The engine used a 16-cylinder configuration, built to deliver extreme power consistently. The transmission was automatic, allowing better control of such massive force. In terms of suspension, it featured an extremely robust system combined with rear-wheel traction, designed to handle massive loads without compromising stability. Visually, the Terex Titan is simply enormous. Its height, width, and proportions make any other truck look small in comparison. The sound of the engine is incredibly deep, almost like a constant thunder rolling through the ground. In practice, it was used in heavy mining operations, transporting huge amounts of material in a single trip. Its legacy is historic. For many years, it was considered the largest truck in the world, becoming a true symbol of bold engineering and ambition. After being retired, it remained on display for years, turning into an almost legendary piece visited by enthusiasts and curious visitors. Over time, the Terex Titan stopped being just a machine and became an icon. Even standing still, it continues to impress due to its absurd scale and the idea that someone actually built something this large. Looking at it today feels like witnessing a broken limit. It represents an era where the goal was simple: build bigger, stronger, and more impressive than ever before. It stands as proof that engineering is not only about solving problems, but also about pushing boundaries beyond what anyone thinks is possible. And if this already seems gigantic, the next one shows how modern technology has managed to push those limits even further. Komatsu 980E-5. The Komatsu 980E-5 was developed in Japan as one of the largest modern mining trucks, designed for large-scale operations in mines around the world. Under the hood, it uses an 18-cylinder engine with more than 50 liters of displacement, producing around 3,500 horsepower. Its top speed is approximately 64 kilometers per hour. The engine features an 18-cylinder configuration, delivering massive force capable of moving hundreds of tons. The transmission is automatic, designed to handle extreme loads efficiently. In terms of suspension, it uses reinforced systems combined with rear-wheel traction, ensuring stability even under maximum load conditions. Visually, the Komatsu 980E-5 is imposing in every aspect. Its dump body is enormous, its wheels are massive, and its presence dominates any environment it operates in. The engine sound is strong, steady, and deeply impressive. In practice, it is used in open-pit mining, transporting huge volumes of material every single day. Its impact is directly connected to modern engineering and technology, making it one of the most advanced trucks ever built. Even as a relatively modern machine, there are already cases of units being retired and left in industrial areas, marking the end of operational cycles. Over time, these trucks become more than just tools. They turn into symbols of an industrial era, showing how far modern engineering has evolved. Seeing one of these giants standing still is realizing that size is no longer just a number. It becomes a physical experience that is hard to comprehend. It represents precision, power, and the ability to operate at a scale that most people will never witness in their lifetime. And if you think this is the ultimate limit, the next one completely redefines everything. Belaz 751010. The Belaz 751010 was developed in Belarus by Belaz as the largest truck in the world, designed for extreme-scale mining operations. Under the hood, it uses two 16-cylinder engines, totaling more than 65 liters of displacement and producing around 4,600 horsepower, a number that is simply beyond comprehension. Its top speed reaches approximately 64 kilometers per hour. The engine configuration features 16 cylinders in each unit, delivering an unimaginable level of force. The transmission is automatic, designed to control all that power efficiently. In terms of suspension, it uses an extremely robust system combined with 8x8 traction, ensuring stability even under enormous loads. Visually, the Belaz 751010 does not look real. It is so massive that people standing next to it look like miniatures. Its wheels are taller than a human, and its dump body can carry hundreds of tons in a single trip. The sound of the engine is overwhelming, transmitting pure raw power. In practice, it is used in the largest mines in the world, transporting massive volumes of material with each operation. Its cultural impact is enormous. It represents the peak of engineering in terms of size and capacity. Even as a relatively recent machine, there are already reports of units sitting idle due to maintenance or logistics, appearing like giant machines resting between cycles. When you stand close to a Belaz, you realize it is not just a truck. It exists on an entirely different scale from anything most people have ever seen. It feels as if engineering decided to test its own limits and simply refused to stop. It represents a level where size, power, and capability merge into something almost surreal. And after seeing all of this, it becomes clear that we are not just talking about vehicles. We are talking about machines that completely redefine what it means to be massive. These trucks are more than just machines. They are proof of how far humans can go when the goal is to push beyond every limit. They are true giants that make it possible to work, build, and explore places most people will never even set foot in. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these trucks impressed you the most in terms of size? Which one would you want to see up close, just to truly understand its scale? And which one do you think pushes engineering to its absolute limit? If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. This is extremely important for the growth of the channel and helps YouTube show this content to more people. And stay tuned, because every week there's a new video featuring the most incredible machines ever built. See you in the next video.